When using Yarn, you have the ability to alias the npm name to something different and even install different versions of the same exact library from npm. Being able to install the exact library version is great because it allows you to potentially migrate from one version of a library to the upgraded version of the library as long as nothing conflicts in between them. If you don't have Yarn already installed or know what Yarn is, check out their website, yarnpkg.com, and you can see the install instructions for Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. Once you have Yarn installed, we will then type out the command here, so yarn add. Yarn add is the equivalent of npm install. And now we'll type out the alias name that we want, so we will pick low-3. This is what you'd use when you import or require. And now we'll say at, and then give it a target. So we'll say the npm registry and the package low-. So this is the npm registry, and this is the npm library that we want to alias as low-3. However, this could be any library that you're referencing, and this could be obviously any name. And now we'll give it a version. So I say at, and then _3, which just says we want the third version, but it doesn't matter which one, so just give us the latest one. So now we'll install that. Now we'll install low-4. So we'll type yarn add, and we'll alias it as low-4. We'll say at npm low-, and then our version, so at _4. So this will install low- as low-4, and we'll install the fourth version and the latest version of that. Okay, now if we go take a look at our package.json, we can see that how it has been installed is just as we typed it, low-3, low-4, and then the npm, which is the registry, and the version of the library that we want. Now let's go show this actually working. We'll go to our index.js and we'll import low-3 from low-3 and import low-4 from low-4. Now we'll console log low-3 dot version and console log low-4 dot version. Save that and switch to our browser. And now if we refresh, we can see that both versions are being console logged, so the libraries are living on the same page at the same time. A word of warning, however, this will only work if everybody on your development team and at your company and on your CI is using Yarn. If you use npm, this will not work.